Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your account name in Rec Room. To change your account name in Rec Room, first of all, open the Rec Room application and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page of Rec Room, go to the top left corner and tap on your wristwatch icon. Now, click on Profile from the bottom left corner and this will open up your profile section. Click on Edit Profile at the top right, and then you will see the Player Account Profile Settings page. From here, go to top right corner and tap on Account Settings. Under your account's name, you will see your current name. You can change your account name every 180 days. So go ahead and tap on your current account name and erase your name. Write down a new one according to your choice. After doing so, click on Save. Make sure that you are matching the criteria for the name, otherwise you won't be able to save it. After you do that, you have successfully changed your account name in Rec Room. Just make sure that the name you chose meets the Rec Room's rules. That is, no offensive languages and a unique name. And that's how you successfully change your account name in Rec Room. Now your friends will see your new username in the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.